This would be my first match play event, so I'm learning every day. With a stroke play event, you typically have pro-ams and you have, the celebrity stuff. And so there's a lot of action Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, whereas on this match play, we haven't had that much action. They've gone out and practiced a couple times. They've played 9 holes one day and 18 holes the next day. So there seems to be a lot of idle time on the golf course for us to sneak back out there and start mowing.
Our approach is a normal tournament approach. It just gives us a little more time. It's only 5 groups a day and then 8 groups on Saturday. So we have a lot more time to get the golf course set up and a lot less play throughout the golf course. So it's really easier for us, but those 5 matches are going to be the highlight. So we have to have the golf course in perfect condition.
We've actually sent past employees to past President's Cup events. So we sent a couple guys to Australia 2 years ago to kind of bring back what they've learned and help us out.
So they moved the routing from number 8 to number 12 to bring the green mile into play. I think I heard the stat that 35% of matches make it to the 18th in match play golf. So they want the green mile, which is our normal 16, 17, 18, to be in play every match.
We call it the Quail Hollow route and the President's Cup route. So Quail Hollow, you go 1 through 18, no problem. Here now for the President's Cup, you go 1 through 8 and then jump over to 12 and hit 12 through 18, 10, 11, 9 for 16, 17, 18, only because they wanted the green mile in the match play event.
Also with the match play, difference from the stroke play is that we're really not worried about the golf course, so to speak, because they're not playing against par. The 2 teams are playing against each other. So our goal really is to make sure that the conditions are supremely consistent. So each team is playing on the same surface versus somebody that's playing against par where score really matters. Score doesn't matter. It's who wins the match.